What do you do when you got new plants for your garden? They can be plants that you bought from the nurseries, or they can be given to you by your friends. So do you do anything different for your new plants? Let's find out. From my experience talking to many gardeners in my workshops, in my talks, most of them didn't do anything for the new plants. They simply placed them into their gardens, into their permanent spot. But that's not a good approach. Anyone know why? Comment below. One of the reasons why is that when the plants move into new environments, they experience some kind of stress, some level of stress, because the environment is different from where they come from. And when they are under stress, they don't grow normally. You'll see flowers starting to drop, you'll see leaves turning yellow, or they just simply stop growing. And if you place them under very harsh growing conditions, or suddenly under very strong conditions like directly under the sun or in a very humid area, they will not survive because they have not acclimatized to the growing environment yet. So what you want to do is to gradually expose them to your growing environment. Let your new plants have some time to recover and get used to your environment. It's just like you or your friends move into a new country. You will not immediately get used to the culture and the people over there. It takes time for you to get used to it, get a feeling and stuff like that. So a good way is to put them into shade first. Don't put them directly under the sun. Put them under a few hours of sunlight. Put them somewhere that is close to your growing environment, your garden. And when you see new growth, you see new leaves, new flowers coming out, then they are ready to move into their final spots in the garden because they are starting to acclimatize. As these new plants go into recovery mode, you can expect them to shed their leaves, shed some of their leaves, their flowers. So it's perfectly normal to see that they have to die down a bit before they grow again. So don't be too overly worried when you see a few leaves dropping and the flowers start to drop. Because those are not your leaves, not your flowers, because they are not grown in your environment. And depending on your environment or how different your environment is, it can take a few months or even a few years for the plants to get acclimatized. Yes, like my pitcher plants took me 2 years before they start to grow normally. So you will know when they are acclimatized. You will see sudden growth from them, and their leaves becomes bigger, their flowers last longer, and they really grow very fast. And when that happens, the feeling, that sense of achievement is hard to describe. Learn something new today? Comment below. If this video is something that you enjoy watching and you want to learn more about gardening, you want to learn how to grow certain plants, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Click on the subscribe button below, because every week I will talk about various gardening topics and how to grow certain plants. So go on, click on the subscribe button below. Until next time, I will see you in my next video.